Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Vivo's Apex concept phone was a real hit at the MWC earlier this year. Flash forward and the phone based on this called the NEX S has just arrived, so let's check it out. The box for our demo unit is quite fancy. It has a matte black finish with gold lettering. Along with the Vivo and NEX logos, there's a little trophy that says FIFA World Cup Russia 2018. Take the cover off and we see the phone itself. Nice. You can see the back is made of glass, with an interesting pattern of triangles underneath. The box slides open sideways, and we have a pair of 3.5mm Vivo earbuds. A nice rubber case for the back of the phone, some reading materials and a SIM key, a USB-C charging cable, and a 22.5-watt Vivo fast charger. It has to be fast to charge up this big 4000 mAh battery in a decent amount of time. So now that we have the NEX S in our hands, let's go over its defining features. First up, innovative all-screen design. The Vivo NEX S has a bezel-less glass design with an impressive 91% screen-to-body ratio, something that we've never seen before in a smartphone. The tall 6.5-inch AMOLED display has a 1080p resolution and takes up basically the whole front surface of the phone. There is no notch though. There's barely even a top bezel, and unlike phones that move the selfie cam down to the bottom, the chin is tiny too. What makes this possible is the pop-up selfie cam. It hides inside the body and slides out when you want to snap a selfie. We wonder how durable this is, as movable parts are generally easier to break, but Vivo says that it's been well tested and can withstand 100 pounds of force. Also, to minimize the bezel, the earpiece is piezoelectric, so no need for a speaker grill. Instead, the sound comes through vibrations from within the phone. That's only for calls though. The audio loudspeaker is bottom firing next to the USB-C port, and up at the top is the trusty 3.5mm audio jack for headphones. Also to save space, the fingerprint reader sits under the display. While the phone is locked, this area lights up in the shape of a fingerprint so you know just where to press. Next, flagship level performance. The Vivo NEX S runs on a Snapdragon 845 chipset with 8GB of RAM. It runs great. There was no stutter in the games I tried. Everything felt nice and responsive. The interface is Vivo's Fun Touch OS over Android 8.1 Oreo. It's a heavy skin, with quite a few custom apps and features, but it still feels smooth, not bloated. You won't run out of space on this phone. The base storage is 256GB and it is expandable. And the NEX S includes Vivo's own digital assistant named Jovi, which you can activate using a dedicated hardware button. Since our unit comes from China, this is all in Chinese for now. Finally, AI-driven cameras. The NEX S has a dual camera setup, though the secondary cam is only used for bokeh mode. The main cam is 12 megapixels at f1.8, and the secondary cam is 5 megapixels. There's OIS as well as dual pixel autofocus. The camera is also supported by AI, which can adjust camera settings based on the scene. Here's a shot that we took during the day. Not bad. And here's a bokeh sample too. The background is nicely out of focus, but the edges around the subject look fuzzy instead of sharp. OIS should help the quality of low-light photos. We snapped some quick shots and it looks pretty decent. And now on to the 8 megapixel selfie cam. It's not just there to impress your friends. Shots look good, and the camera also benefits from AI enhancements, which include HDR, filters, and beautification. Oh, and it can do bokeh shots too. So there you have it folks. The Vivo NEX S is an exciting looking flagship that looks to shake up the world of smartphone design. Our full review is coming soon. If you have any questions you'd like us to try and answer there, leave them down in the comments below. We do consider all questions, so bring them on. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.